here's what this is. This is a layout that Rolly and RV have been working on today, okay? With the idea of being able to have time, matchup, score, location, broadcast, right? What are they doing? They're building out a layout for basketball for the Philippines,
Oh, that's dope.
isn't it?
So is that like a video right there?
Yeah,
The
so what
game yesterday, my highlights game yesterday.
Oh, it's just the highlights. Okay.
Yep. Then I have an idea that if there's a game later for a 4 p.m. so I'm gonna uh put an live stream here.
Oh,
Mm,
wow. Okay, so this answers questions because I have a client right now who wants to do watch parties. And as you know, trying to do a watch party on a big screen like that is subject to some regulations or whatever. So
right?
um so what you're saying is I can plug in the stick and use this template and I could plug in a live stream from a RSS whatever and it like a feed and it will be a watch party. I can run a watch party that way.
Technically, you can. The challenge is getting the RSS feed, being able to pay for the feed, right?
Right.
And so if you can do research on how to find the feed and pay for the feed to get it as an RSS feed to be able to pull it on the screen, yes, we can display it. What you're looking at here is really just a media area, like what you're used to for full screen, squished down to the top right, and then showing off a YouTube stream. Well, in this case, a YouTube video. Okay. But if it was a YouTube stream, you could dial it in here.
Yeah, because it would be just
So,
the link, right? Like if it was just like a YouTube link.
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, because I know there's a couple of ways on YouTube where they have like games like tonight's Monday Night Football. I'm pretty
Hmm.
sure there's like if you have like YouTube Live or if you have the YouTube subscription for like $70 a month, you get all the games live anyway. So it literally is just a YouTube link.
Ah, that's a really good point. We've never tried in the system to subscribe a device to the YouTube live streams, and I don't see why we couldn't.
so
You'd
there's a
have
live
to,
stream on
yeah,
Twitch. The video
yeah.
Twitch.
Yeah, I got it. I have a
Mm,
Twitch.
Yeah,
And then there is some live streams on Twitch where they stream the game. Like
yeah.
you could take the Twitch link because they
Yep.
do stream some football games on the Twitch because they're partnered with Twitch already. So in that case, you probably wouldn't even have to pay for it. You probably could just take the link and just put it in there.
So I like the saying, the future is already here, it's just not equally distributed.
Right.
And so what they worked on here is a really good layout because you want to stop sharing your screen, or sorry, keep sharing your screen, but go to the Google Drive sheet. Now, before he does, Felicio, take a look on the left, Monday, November the 6th,
Mhm.
and he has time, matchup, score, location, broadcast. Now go to the sheet, please.
Oh, that's nice. That's easy.
So we're in.
Yeah.
He went really fast there, but he's in SAM, and he clicked on a URL, and now he's in the shareable um, Google Drive sheet. And so
Oh,
whatever he updates in here synchronizes with SAM and will show in that layout in about 2 to 3 minutes.
oh, dope. Yeah, that's definitely, yeah, it's absolutely what we
So,
need. That's exactly what we've been trying to do is that we've been trying to do these watch parties and
mhm.
we've been unsuccessful with them because we'll try to stream it from the computer and it's like it works, but it's like it kind of is like it could tell that it's on a big screen if you're paying a subscription. Some of these things can tell if you're on a big screen, and promoting it on a larger screen, like even at home. Like if you have an app like that and you try to promote it on a larger screen, sometimes it'll ask you for a code and you got to punch it in. So this would be easy, because then we just put the dongle in and say, hey, I can do your Raider watch party, and then just plug into a Twitch stream of the Raider watch party, or a Twitch stream, or YouTube if I have a subscription, and just put the link in there and it should show it like that. That'd be a good thing. That'd be fun to test, actually.
It would. It's one of those things where, do you know about Heidi Bowl?
No,
Ever hear of Heidi Bowl? So
no.
I'm going to take over the screen for a second here. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, Harvey? So the Heidi game, or Heidi Bowl, was a 1968 American Football League game between the Oakland Raiders and the visiting New York Jets. The contest, held on November 17th, 1968, was notable for its exciting finish, in which Oakland scored 2 touchdowns in the final minute to win the game. However, a decision by NBC, the game's television broadcaster, to break away from its coverage on the East Coast to broadcast television film Heidi caused many viewers to miss the Raiders' comeback.
Oh, wow.
So it's the core reason why I don't concentrate on us being a solution for sports, is because if anything goes wrong, you lose a stream at the last minute, you are now responsible for somebody's negative experience.
Yeah.
And so I'm going to stop sharing my screen for a second. Are you able to share yours?
Coming to me?
Yes. Share your
Oh,
screen again. So really, this layout here, it's intended to be the content on the left-hand side.
Hmm.
You know, where it's
Oh, I see.
post-broadcast stuff, and then right now it's time, matchup, score, location, broadcast. But what if it was displaying the information you needed to know from a couple of minutes ago that you didn't catch the game, you didn't know what the score was? Or better yet, Felicio, driving around in Las Vegas and go to the high-end sports betting lounge areas in Vegas.
Hmm.
You can now be that guy.
Hmm.
Because whatever we put on the Google Drive sheet is going to show up in this layout on the screens within a
And
minute or
just,
two.
yeah, and then could have live feeds on like on the truck, and people can see what the scores are.
Yes, now you got it.
Oh yeah. And then we could just play highlights like what we're doing, because that wouldn't infringe on anything.
Yes.
Oh wow. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. And then that screen will be on the left, and all that ticker, and then that other screen on the left will be on the right in a smaller area, so that it makes more sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, that it would be a very, very, very interesting um platform there.
and so also you can make it here as sponsors. You have sponsors.
Yeah.
So that's the layout showcase for the day for the digitalsign.com. Okay, guys. And
That's dope.
we're going to keep working ahead through this, because did you know, Felicio, Pinoys are crazy about basketball.
Oh yeah.
Crazy about
Oh
basketball.
yeah. I got a
Is that
bunch of
right, guys?
friends. Yeah, I got a bunch of friends in the I used to live in what is that? Imperial Beach.
Yeah.
And we have a whole lot of annoyed Filipinos and stuff and friends, and that's all we do is hoop. All we do is play basketball all day. So I mean, and these guys can ball. These guys can
Yes.
ball. They can ball. They can go through the legs. They can go behind the back. They can do all that. They can ball.